guys, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. My name is James, and if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe. So today we are going to show you how to make stripes. So I have here my boiled stripes. I have some onions, some tomatoes, some garlic, and some green pepper. And here I have the broth and some cooking oil, of course. And my souffle is already ready, so we're going to start by adding our stripes. So the souffle is already dry, so we're going to... So it's ready. We don't want to stick on the soup here, so we're going to add some oil. So there it goes. So first we're going to make the sticks dry, not so dry, at least get some dry before we put it. So we're going to add in the garlic.
Leave it to dry.
Then we're going to leave it to dry.
Okay, as you are leaving it to dry, Mama. Nani alifunza kupika?
You. Yeah.
Not school. Not CBC at its best.
In school, we don't like cook this. We just cook like chapati. Yeah, chapati is the ones that sweet.
Do you like cooking, or you are just taught and you're comfortable like that?
At home, yeah, at home I like cooking.
At school, you don't like cooking. So during the practicals, yeah?
You know, during practicals we have a little exercise to like.
My question is, do you like cooking? Not that
I participate in it.
So it means that you don't like, you just participate.
Yes, I like cooking.
I don't believe so, isn't it? So you're making us the stripes using a jiko, to be precise, isn't it? You're using a jiko.
Yeah. A jiko.
So because it has started drying, what are you going to do next?
I'm going to add in my onions.
Okay, do that then. The oil you added was little, that's why they're sticking around.
So man, for these vegetables, okay, so this.
What is it?
That's all.
So if there's a friend of yours who's in USA, what can you tell her? Bicarbonate soda.
Yeah, bicarbonate soda.
In Africa, we use homemade bicarbonate, and that is it, isn't it? That was made from ash, isn't it? Yeah. So specifically, leave the onions to. Yeah, you know, when you're making stripes, you always make sure that you leave them to be crunchy.
Yeah, that's
because I say that we are learning and we are moving from height. So you leave them to dry so much well. So we are going, it's like boiling in the oil.
Yeah.
So that is it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna be giving yourself some time. You want to be adding them on the.
salt.
I think salt is there. What do you tell your people?
I just tell them to subscribe and continue watching my content.
What about your other channel?
Yeah, they also go and like subscribe.
What is the name of the channel?
It's Baby White.
Yeah, Baby White. And what is the name of this channel?
Life with the JJ family.
Yeah. Have you thanked those people who have been returning to look at your...
I'm not a them, but guys, thanks for the support you've given me, my mom and my sister. Thanks so much for the support. Yeah. So we're going to make our onions. So guys, my stripes are dry as you can see. So we're going to add in our tomatoes. Here they are. So let's what? So we're going to start with the cube. So we're going to start by adding in our cube. So here the cube, here is the cube. Let's open it. So let's show it. Mix. So guys, our stripes are going to be wet, so I just added some water into the Royco, and let's pour it in. Gonna mix it. Look at that.
Hiyo nini straight ni pesa ngapi? 200.
200.
Inakaa hakuna kitu kwa sufuria.
Yeah.
Yeah, uchumi wewe. So look at what you have made.
I love it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like the results. We are going to be adding in our green peppers. Here they are. Remember, this is a whole. This is a whole pepper.
Yeah. Hey, mchuzi hata itupe opportunity ya kukaranga poa bana, tuone nini nakaranga hapa.
Yeah.
Add the broth to leave it now to boil a bit and then we'll...
So the broth is thick.
So you can show them. Yo, tell them now this is your Matumbo, your stripes.
Look at that.
Tell them you have not prepared ugali.
Yeah, we're not prepared ugali.
So the whole we are leaving them to heat a bit.
Yeah. So we're going to stop the video and you're going to be like,
yeah, we're not stopping.
We are cooking this.
You are preparing supper, the whole of supper. See, you told us you are preparing for us, Mulenda. And Mulenda, I'm going to be preparing it to show people how it is fast, easy to prepare it. Otherwise, guys, but why haven't you subscribed, guys? The girl made some beautiful stripes over there. Can you taste to see if we are having salt? You have?
No.
We have a little. Say there is, but it is not much. It is. Okay. After that, guys, we say that we are preparing stripes with Mulenda. People don't know Mulenda. It's Mr. Ugali. Do you know Mulenda?
Yeah.
What is Mulenda?
Now, vegetables.
Which vegetables? Vegetables are so many.
So how should I define them?
What is Mulenda?
How?
What is Mulenda? What is the English name of Mulenda? You don't know. Just say you don't know.
You ask what is Mulenda?
Mulenda, you don't know first of all. Even you don't know the English name. If someone asks, because you are having somebody who is doing the video and that somebody is not in Kenya. So what will you tell that person what is Mulenda? This is the shortest way to cook Mulenda, guys. First of all, people say that you spoil when you do like this. But I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. So first of all, this is what I'm gonna be doing to make sure that my onions are well cooked. And then I'm gonna be adding salt to taste. Every vegetable is always there. And then it is always good for you to add salt in onions because they make sure that the onions cook faster, isn't it? They get really early. So this is what we are going to have. I don't know if I put excess, but we shall just check. So the vegetables that we are talking about, did I show them? Here, we have prepared them. So guys, as it is like this is Mulenda, by the way. People say that you don't cook this way. So this is what I'm gonna be adding. I'm gonna be adding like that. And then guys, after adding that one, I'm gonna be adding the baking soda that I said, the bicarbonate that I had prepared. So I add a little because it is hey, I've added more. But I think it's gonna be working, guys. So after I've done that, I'm gonna be looking for a lid. I'm gonna be looking for a lid to make sure that my veggies are covered. First of all, see you. So after some few so guys, this is after some time. Okay. This is after some time. Let me closer so that they can see. You see now my veggies I'm mixing with the onion. People who don't know Mulenda. I just mixed it with the kunde. Kunde looks like beans.
Yeah. Also, Mulenda is that the ones that are always small and blue.
Mulenda is the one that is slippery vegetables.
They look like
They look like mucus, guys. Look what they are saying. That they look like mucus.
Mom, but you eat adding some milk.
No, we're eating using milk, so we cannot be adding milk. We only add milk if we're not having an additive. Yeah. So guys, this is how they look. And they look at them, they're yummy. So we are leaving them to marinate, but before we leave them, we are going to add a cube roll. Roll cube to make sure that we are having the best, guys. You can see.
Look at how tasty it looks.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
This cube is so hard.
Yeah, it does not look as if it is.
I'm just adding one. Guys, look at my veggies. And they are served green like that, guys. So guys, this is our veggies. The way they look. Mulenda is the best. It's so sweet, by the way. It looks so yummy.
That is
Mouth watering. So it is slippery in a way. Look at its mini. Somehow slippery. So guys, being the mother of the house, mimi nani nione vitu zenye mtoto wangu amepika. Nikapampa kadogo, kaeka hapo. Karibisha, nakuja kwa Mulenda.
that combo.
Hata kwa gari kalikuwa kamelala kajana sana kasema lazima nionje kidogo look. What? Hii hata ungekuwa ni wewe lazima ungeendelea kukula. Hey guys, it's so sweet look. Alafu nimeona kama chuma hapa kadogo hivi. Too unfortunate. The camera person just watching. So what? To eat. Subscribe guys for more and more of these. Subscribe guys, you enjoy. Matumbo strike with Mulenda. Wow.